Say word, it's your boy Shogun here. Read off of the blog Du Nord that Juan Sebastian Veron's wife supposedly is looking for a house in the D.C. area. Looks like Juan Sebastian Veron, that deal with D.C. United is about 90% done, and we should expect to see Your Highness playing in the venerable Robert F. Kennedy Stadium in 08. It's a great thing for the league. DC United has maintained that Argentinian line. They got their tentacles all over Argentina, man. They're plucking up teams from Estudiantes, Boca Juniors set, all over. Look for DC United to continue that. Right now they got a Brazilian who is the best scorer in MLS, Luciano Emilio. They got Christian Gomez, very excellent midfielder out of Argentina, and with Juan Sebastian Veron playing the number 10 role, DC United, man, it's gonna look real strong, real pretty in 08. It's your boy Show Gizzle. Peace. I'm out.